आयज पणजे हांगसर एक इम्पॉर्टंट मिटींग घडली ती म्हणल्यार फॅक्टरी एंड बॉयलर्साच्या डिपार्टमेंटान जी ही डिपार्टमेंट घडोवपा खातीर खासा जे प्रयत्न केले ते म्हणल्यार स्ट्रीट प्रुडंट फंडाचे जे NGO आसा त्याचे जे मुखेली आहा ते डोनाल्ड फर्नांडीस आणि असो एक हे केलो की जे व्हडल्या व्हडल्या कंपनीनी फॅक्टरीनी जे फूड वेस्ट जाता ते वेस्ट ना करता ते शेल्टर होमान जे गरीब लोक जावं मेंटल इल आसता तांकां दिवपा खातीर ही मिटींग घडोवन हाडलेली. अशे तरेन ते म्हणटा की पुणे म्हणा की वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रीत फॅक्टरी जे जेवण दिता स्टाफाक आपल्या ते जेवणातले जवळपास 2000 ते 2500 किलो पर डे जेवण वेस्ट जाता आणि तेच जेवण ते आतां कलेक्ट करतले आणि थंयच्यान मागीर ते शेल्टर होमात जे निडी पीपल आहा ऑन द स्ट्रीट तांकां जावं शेल्टर होम हांकां दिवपाचो निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा. सो बेगिनाच हो निर्णय आतां घेतला. सो बेगिनाच हो निर्णय प्रत्यक्षान येतलो अशे तरेची ही मिटींग आयज जाल्लेली आसा आणि हे मिटींगेंतल्यान बरी गजाल ती म्हणल्यार जे जेवण वेस्ट जातालें गोंयांत ते आतां गरिबा पर्यंत पावतले ही एक बरी गजाल आसा.
Proposal to collect extra food from factories across Goa and feed the homeless. Now, basically across Goa, different sectors are throwing out, say, 5,000 to 15,000 kilos of cooked food daily. So we are trying to channelize this food to go towards the poor people, so that poor people across Goa can get food. Now, under the Narendra Modi government, Modi ji had come out with a proposal that no food should go waste, and it is showing on the FSSI website. So last 2 years back we have approached the department, that is the FSSI department, but somehow it was not very cooperative, very encouraging. So we approached the Chief Minister also in April 22. April Chief Minister had marked a note to FSSI, but somehow director was not in favor. Then we approached a governor's office, and he told us to route this proposal to factory and boilers, which we approached Sanjit Rodriguez, and he looked into the matter. He understood the concept. He put us on to his director, Mr. Sir Pangam, and we have been talking to different factories across Goa how the extra factory food can be given to a food bank, because we run Goa's only registered food bank, and we have reached the concluding state where a lot of factories in Verna and Kundai, in the due course of time, will maybe by end of this month, they will put a mechanism where we can collect at least 2,000 to 2,500 kilos of cooked food every day and feed about 5,000 to 6,000 people, because 1 kilo of food is enough to feed 3 people.
So you have any data on how many kgs food
Yes.
wastage per day or something?
Like I said, we are throwing out daily 12,000 to 15,000 kilos of cooked food, and I'll give you the breakup where it's coming from. About 4,000 to 5,000 kilos is coming from factories, because factories give the employees food every day. 1,000 kilos to 1,200 kilos is coming only from the casinos. Cooked food, not clean food, cooked food. About 3,000 to 4,000 kilos is coming only from bakeries. And another 3,000 to 4,000 kilos is daily coming from caterers. Now, there is a cost to take this food from A point to B point. Now, we as the NGO cannot bear the cost, because there is staff, there is transportation, there is kitchen. So, if we have to reduce the garbage, if we have to work on bringing the garbage down, most of the garbage, say 30% of the garbage, will be wet food. Now, we are a food bank, we are an NGO. Who is going to move the food from the caterer to the poor people? There has to be a mechanism. And who's going to bear the cost? So at the moment, what happened, we are first working with the factories to see how we can bridge that gap. And we have taken help of Inspector of Factories and Boilers, Sir Pangam sir, who this is not their department to work on this, but as humanity, as society, they are willing to bridge this gap. This is a project of FSSI, which they are not showing any. So we are forced to approach these people, and they have been very cooperative with us. And end of this month, we will have at least 10 to 15 factories joining this initiative, which will be able to save food for the poor.
सो ते इतले तुमकां फूड जे मेळटले सगळे तुमकां युजफूल जातले काय?
See, anytime any food we collect, 20 to 25% is wastage. So that we give to the animals. So animals also are getting some. It's not that all food is going to be good. There is a mechanism how we check the food.
प्रुडंटा खातीर पणजेच्यान रुपेश राव.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.